Hello, good day. Today we'll be discussing on the string data type. We've seen some uses of the integer. Today we'll look at the string data type. Let me start by explaining what a string is. A string is anything. It can be a number, it can be an alphabet, it can be a list, it can be a dictionary that is inside a single or a double quote. A string is anything that is inside a single or a double quote. For example, I can have A is equal to, this is a single quote, 2. I said type of A, it gives me the type as a string. I can also have A is equal to 1, 2. This is in the double quote. I'll say type A give me a string. And whatever you put in a string, whatever you put in a quote or a double quote is a string in Python. It is a string. Now, we're talking about the quote and the double quote. The single quote is lesser than the double quote. What I mean is that the double quote has higher precedence to the single quote. I can say this, many people find this difficult in writing. I say name. Let me start with the single quote. I say her name is, or let me use an abbreviation. Her names. You see, that becomes the end of the string. But when I start it with a double quote and I have this, I can continue with this. So if you want to use a single quote inside your string variable, you begin that variable with a double quote. And if you want to, you'll be seeing this a lot in my videos, I want to write in the multiple lines, then I can use a triple double quote or a triple single quote to able to write comments in double lines. Okay, that is a brief explanation about the string type. Let me show you something about the string. Now I can have something as this name equal to, so let me use this plus good. I can have print name. Now it prints plus. Note that the print command, if you're using a string, if you want to print out a string, you use a double quote for it. For instance, a string that has not been stored in a variable. For instance, I can have this print plus, it will print plus. But when I go the other way, I say print name, what do you think it will print? Will it print plus which have been stored as a string inside the variable name, or will it print name? Let's do this, it will print name because you are giving it name. In this case has become a variable, a string variable, and not a, a string value, sorry, a string value and not a variable. Okay, like we did in the previous data type, the integer data type, this is a way, another way we can define a string variable. I say a equals to str, then str harmful. What it is what will happen? It gives you an error because harmful is not defined. So what should be done is name equals to str harmful. I think this should go. This should go. But Python has made things a lot easier for us. Instead of using the string str or the integer keyword whenever I want to declare, we just go straight in declaring it. You know, in Python, sorry, in Java, if you are to declare a variable, you must start with the data type. But in Python, Python does not need for you to start with the data type. It understands the data type. So this is a difficult way to define string. So far in this video, we've seen the definition of string, how we can define string. We've explained string, how string is differ from any other data type. We've also explained the single quote and the double quote. We've also talked about the triple, single, or double quote. Please, if you've not subscribed to this video, to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and subscribe to our blog. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day.